Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my teaching and my efforts, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to get the regular updates. In this video, I want to discuss one of the GATE question which came in the year 2018. First, let me read out the question, then I will discuss the solution with you. Consider the sequential circuit shown in the figure where both flip-flops used are positive edge triggered D flip-flops. These are the two D flip-flops and a common clock is given, so I can say that it is a synchronous counter. The number of states in the state transition diagram. So they are asking us to find the state transition diagram from this counter, okay, of this circuit that have a transition back on the same state on some value of in is, okay. They have given four options. We need to find the right answer. So first, if I want to find the state transition diagram, I need to find the present state and next state of each flip-flop. Am I right or wrong? So first find out what are the things they have mentioned. As it is a D flip-flop, the next state Qn plus 1 is equal to D. This is the characteristic equation of the D flip-flop. Am I right or wrong? So the next state will always depend on the D value. Okay, note down this point. And another important point is that here it is D1 is equal to Q0. You can write it. D1 is equal to Q0 from the given circuit diagram. And D0 is equal to in. Okay. Now, if you have look at it, we have present states as Q1 and Q0 and we need to find the next state. So, first find out the present states of the each flip-flop, which is Q1 and Q0. Okay, Q1 and Q0. And we have another thing is that input IN, which can be either 0 or 1. Am I right or wrong? Even here I mentioned it as 0 or 1. Okay. Now if you look at it, we have Q1, Q0 and in. So totally we will get 8 combinations. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Let me erase this one. This is same. Let me write here. Okay. 1, 1, 1. These are the 8 combinations of input we got. For Q1, Q0 is the present state and we have the input IN. Okay. Now what is the next thing we have to do? We have to find the flip-flop inputs, okay, which are D1 and D0. And then I need to find the next states of each flip-flop, which is Q1N and Q0N. Okay. These are the flip-flop inputs and these are the next states. Okay. Now if you look at it, what is the mention from the circuit diagram? D1 is equal to Q0. What is Q0? Which is 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Let me write it like this so that it will be clearly visible for you. D1 is equal to Q0. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Similarly, if you look at it, D0 is equal to in. What is the in value? Which is 0 or 1. So the 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 is the, we got the D1 and D0 values. Now we need to find the next states. How to find the next state? Qn plus 1 will be depend on its D value. So Q1n will be depend on D1. What is the D1? 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So you will get Qn next state is 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Similarly, for this flip-flop, the next state will be depend on D0. Q0n is equal to D0, okay, which is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So we have taken the present states and in we computed the D1 and D0. From that D1 and D0, we computed the next states of each flip-flop such as Q1 end and Q0 end. From this table, we can easily find out the state transition diagram. Okay? Are you able to understand? I hope you have noted down this question. Let me erase this question. Now look at the present state. In the transition diagram, we will give the present state and the next state. From 0, 0, it is going to 0. Okay? From 0, 0, it is going to look at the present states. 0, 0, the next state is 0, 0 only. Similarly, from 0, 0, it is going to 0, 1. So, from 0, 0 on 0, it is going to 0. From 0, 0 on 1, let me write like this because this is the in value. If it is 0, 0 on 0, it is going to 0, 0. 0, 0 on in when it is 1, it is going to 0, 1. Okay. Similarly, from 0, 1 on 0, where it is going? 1, 0. On 0, it is going to 1, 0. Okay. Are you able to understand? On 1, where it is going? On 1, it is going to 1, 1. Let me write like this. Okay. This one is completed. 1, 0 on 0, it is going to 0, 0. 1, 0 on 0. 1, 0 on 0, it is going to 0, 0. 1, 0 on 1, it is going to 0, 1. 1, 0 on 1, it is going to 0, 1. Now 1, 1 on 0 is going to 1, 0. 1, 1 on 0, it is going to 1, 0. 1, 1 on 1 is going to 1, 1. 1, 1 on 1 is going to 1, 1 itself. Now you look at the state transition diagram and then check the question what they are asking. The number of states, I hope it is visible for you. The number of states in the state transition diagram of this circuit that have a transition back on the same state. 0, 0 on 0, it is going to 0. 1, 1 on 1 is going to 1. Same state on some value of in. When it is 0, 0, 0, when in is 0, it is going to 0, 0. 1, 1 on when in is 1, it is going to 1, 1. Such states, how many are there? One is 0, 0 and there is 1, 1. On that one, it is not going to same state. 0, 0, 1 on 0, it is going to 1, 0. On 1, it is going to 1, 1. Similarly, 1, 0 on 0, it is going to 0, 0. On 1, it is going. So, on same state, it is not going to same other states other than these two states. So, the number of such states are 0, 0 state and 1, 1 state. We have two states, which is the right answer is A. I hope you have understood how I solved this question, which came in the year 2018. If you still have any doubts related to this concept or related to this question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.